Hello, friends. I want to hop on today and talk to you about some AI myths. So many people that I'm working with right now have issues with AI. They're afraid of AI. They're intimidated by AI. They don't know how secure it is. There's so many things that is running through people's minds with AI. And I'm here today to bust some of those myths for us. So myth number one is AI will replace me or my team. Myth number one. And here's the truth about AI. AI isn't here to replace you. It's here to empower you. If you use it to automate tasks, you'll free up your time and make smarter decisions. You plus AI equals unstoppable. So myth number one, it is not going to replace you. It's only here to empower you. Myth number two is AI is too complicated. I'm not very techie. I just don't know what to do. That is such a lie. And I want you to know it doesn't matter how technically sound you are. You don't need a tech degree to use AI. If I can use AI, you can use AI. Today's tools are user friendly. They're intuitive and made for small business owners. With the right prompts, you'll be amazed at what you can create. The prompting is the key. Prompting is something everyone can learn. The coding, the technical aspect, you don't need to know anything about that. So if you can operate a cell phone, seriously, if you can operate your cell phone, you can operate AI. You do not have to be a tech specialist to be able to navigate AI. And the third myth I'm going to talk about today is AI is just a trend. It's going to fade away. Wow, that couldn't be more untrue. The truth is, AI is not a fad, it's the future of business efficiency. Early adopters are gaining a serious edge. Don't wait to catch up. You've got to be a leader in industry, so don't wait to catch up. Hop on board and let's be a leader in the AI world. So, what needs to happen to make AI effective for you? You need to have a mindset shift. AI is not a threat. It's your business partner for growth, productivity, and creativity. Join me on August 27 for an AI workshop. You're going to love it. It's fantastic. You'll learn so much about AI and take all of the fears, all of the questions out, and start wrapping your mind around how you can use AI for your business and some great life hacks as well. So join me on the 27th and I will see you there. Thank you so much.